Hi everyone, this is Dirk. Today I'm going to take a look at the Sigma 16mm f1.4. As always, this is not a sponsored review, I bought it with my own money, and so you get the real deal and an honest review. I will take it with me on my road trip to Boston to take some nice pictures for you. First, let's take a look at sharpness in the center and the corners. Already at f1.4 we can see impressive results in the center, while there's a big gap between the top left and bottom right corner. Already at f1.8 we have perfect sharpness in the center. We have to step it down to f2.8 to reach really great sharpness in the bottom right corner. For the top left corner we actually need to step it down to f5.6 to get decent results. And I think this is perfectly acceptable, because we need to keep in mind that this is a relatively inexpensive autofocus lens. And therefore the sharpness is really impressive. Naturally, after f11 everything gets a little bit softer. As to be expected from a wide-angle lens in this price point, we have a barrel distortion. The vignetting is actually well controlled, especially after f2.8. And here is a video recorded at f1.4 against strong backlight to check for chromatic aberration, color fringing and ghosting. The autofocus in video mode is impressively snappy. For the sake of this review, I took all the photos at f1.4, which is really not ideal for city photos. Normally I would shoot at f4 or at 5.6. Now look at this quality at f1.4. The city of Boston definitely has a sense of humor, so I took a picture of this sinking house at f1.4. Also here we have incredible sharpness. If you ever come to Boston, you have to visit the Finn Coffee House. Friendly and welcoming Vietnamese people are serving super delicious coffee. But now let's talk about our lens. If you get close enough to your subject, you can actually achieve decent out-of-focus background photos. As I mentioned before, I would not shoot city photos at f1.4, but it gives you a good idea on how sharp this lens is and how well it is performing. So please let me know in the comments below what you think about the Sigma 16mm f1.4. If you liked this video, please leave a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Thanks so much for watching this, and please tune in soon again. Bye for now.